Hey everybody, this is Marcus with More Machine Tools and Acro USA. I'm here in Greenville, South Carolina at Mecart. Standing next to me is Eric. He's going to be the operator of this 13-foot, 242-ton Acro Press Brake. It has sheet followers to help him do these big long bends that he has to do, so it's not so hard on him, and it has your DA66 Delum control. It has a lot of other features too, but I'm going to let Eric tell you about them. So Eric, what do you think of this machine?
I think this machine is amazing. It certainly made my life a lot easier, a lot less stressful on my body picking up these large panels. The size of the arms and the followers themselves certainly helps with these large panels like this, and the modern technology that we have makes our job a lot easier and a lot less mathematical equations that we have to do in our own heads, so yeah. Certainly top notch.
Well, good. Well, how was the training and the setup from what you could tell? How did that everything go with that?
Training was A+, it was perfect. Install went really well. All the information I had, any questions I had, you answered, and you certainly made my life a lot easier.
Well, good. I'm glad that we made it easier, and we look forward to working with you in the future, and thank you again, Eric.
Thanks, Marcus.
Yep.